Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that affects a ton of people: acid reflux. You know, that burning sensation in your chest after a meal? It's not fun, but don't worry, I've got some natural remedies that can help you beat it. So let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about what's causing that pesky acid reflux. It's usually when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. So step one is to focus on your diet. Avoid trigger foods like spicy dishes, citrus fruits, and yes, even chocolate. Bummer, I know. Instead, go for high fiber foods like oatmeal, bananas, and melons. They're gentle on your stomach and can help prevent that acid from bubbling up. Next, let's sip on something soothing. Herbal teas like chamomile and ginger tea are fantastic. They're known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can calm your digestive system. Just steer clear of mint tea. It can actually relax the muscles that keep acid in your stomach. Now, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute stomach acid, but here's a tip: avoid drinking large amounts of water during meals. It can overfill your stomach and make reflux worse. So sip water throughout the day. Instead, let's move on to lifestyle changes. Elevate the head of your bed by about 6 inches. Gravity will help keep the acid where it belongs. Also, try not to eat at least 3 hours before you hit the sack. Giving your body time to digest can really make a difference. Exercise can also play a role, but be cautious. High-intensity workouts might exacerbate reflux, so go for low-impact activities like walking or yoga. They not only aid digestion, but also help you maintain a healthy weight, which is another factor in reducing acid reflux. Speaking of weight, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Extra pounds can put pressure on your abdomen, pushing stomach acid up into your esophagus. So a balanced diet and regular exercise can really help. Finally, let's talk about stress management. Stress can increase stomach acid production. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking a few minutes to relax can make a big difference. So there you have it. With a few simple changes, you can take control of acid reflux naturally. Remember, it's all about balance and listening to your body. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. And remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Keep a food diary to track what triggers your reflux. This can help you identify and avoid those pesky triggers. Stick to a balanced diet and make mindful choices. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Take care and see you next time.